Most guys miss these signals daily, wasting months or overlooking the right girl. Today, I reveal 10 psychology-backed ways to know if a girl likes you. No games, just truth. Warning, the last two tips, 9 and 10, are game changers. Miss them and you'll repeat mistakes. Stay until the end, apply these, and your attraction perspective will shift forever. Tip number 1, eye contact that lingers. It's a primal signal in human psychology. Not all eye contact is equal. A quick glance might just be politeness. But if her eyes linger, that's a subconscious sign of attraction, triggering oxytocin. If she looks at you after a joke, searching for your reaction, that's interest. Tip number 2, mirroring your movements. We mimic those we like without thinking. If she mirrors your actions, like sipping her drink after you, it's linked to rapport. Consistent mirroring isn't friendship, it's attraction syncing with you. Tip number 3, her voice changes around you. A girl's voice subtly changes when she likes someone. It may go higher, softer, or she may laugh more, signaling approachability. If her voice with you is warmer or more playful than with friends, that's biology revealing interest. Tip number 4, she finds reasons to be around you. Attraction seeks proximity. Her body tells you, I want to be in your space, even without words. If she consistently chooses closeness, she's choosing you. Tip number 5, she teases you or playfully challenges you. Teasing is often testing, not rejection. If she jokes or challenges you, she's checking your confidence. Attraction thrives on tension. Handle it with humor and interest grows. Tip number 6, she remembers the small details. This powerful sign shows emotional investment. Remembering small details means she places mental importance on you. It's proof she's thinking about you even when you're not there. Tip number 7, she talks about you with her friends. Signs go from subtle to undeniable here. If you're in her friends' conversations, she's consciously evaluating taking things further. Girls tell their friends everything. If your name comes up, you're halfway there. Tip number 8, she accidentally touches you. Multiple accidental touches are a sign. Touch says, I'm comfortable with you, but read the room. Back off if she recoils. If she's relaxed and smiling after a touch, that's attraction without words. Tip number 9, she gets nervous around you. Nerves often mean she cares about your impression. Shaky hands, awkward laughter, stumbling words are classic attraction indicators. Nervousness means she's imagining a future with you and doesn't want to ruin it. Sometimes nervousness shows as overcompensation, like talking too much. Stay tuned for the final sign. Tip number 10, she sticks around you in public spaces. This is the ultimate game changer. If she chooses to orbit you, she's decided, I like being near him. This is not a coincidence. Her investing presence means investing interest. These are 10 psychology-backed ways to know if a girl likes you, but you must act on them. If you notice 3 or more signs, stop overthinking. Take action. Start the conversation, make the move. If this video brought clarity, hit like and comment with a sign you've seen. Subscribe to Unshakable You for more psychology-backed insights to win in love and life.